was very tough for me. If you ask me how was your starting phase, it was very pathetic. I was very shy type of person, like a
Okay.
introvert. It was tough for me to face the camera, to maintain eye contact for 30 minutes, 20 minutes. It was very tough for me. Somehow I had managed, but now I can say I had taken more than 20, 30 session, and in this month only I have taken more than 10,
Hello,
20
good
session.
afternoon.
So sorry.
Yeah.
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you. And I'm fine. Thank you for asking me. What about you?
Yes, I am doing great. Everything is going smoothly at my place. You tell me how is the weather your side and how is life treating you nowadays?
Life is going well, and the weather was very hot day today, and now it's fine.
Okay.
It's
So
pleasure day, you can say.
what
But
about
no
the rainfall? You guys,
rain. No, it's not. It is not doing here.
you are from UP, right? Am I correct?
Yeah, I'm from UP. And what about you? Okay, let's have the
Yeah.
introduction part first.
First, yes. So let's start.
Yes.
So, as you know, I am Jyoti Mishra. I am from Bihar, your neighbor state, but I am living in Pune. Previously, I was working, but nowadays I run a YouTube channel. I am into teaching. Along with that, if I talk about my hobbies, I like reading books, traveling, watching podcast, and I have a great home playing chess and badminton. That's all from my side.
Okay. So you always play badminton or chess. That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, now let me introduce myself. So my name is Nordin Khan from Uttar Pradesh district Bagpat. So if I talk about my qualification, I accomplished my higher secondary education last year. Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor of Arts from CCS University from Meerut. CCS means Chaudhary Charan Singh University. It is belong to Meerut. So if I talk about my YouTube journey, so I have been in this journey since 6 to 7 months something. And if I talk about my spoken English journey, these days it is going well because I'm practicing daily basis. So I have been learning this language since 1.5 year. So if I talk about my interest, I like to read some non-fiction or fiction. You can say any kind of book which helps me to do something like in my life or improving in terms of improving my life or anything else. So that's pretty much about me.
Great introduction. So you are a student of
Yeah.
graduation. You are pursuing
Yes.
graduate. Okay, tell me, if I ask you, tell me three advantage of being a student.
Being a student. If we are students, so somewhere I think we don't have that much pressure to do if we are suppose we are doing work but we are not earning much money, so definitely we would have pressure that we should do something like we should earn more money. And the second reason that as we are a student, so uh, we are not second reason, we always learn something new, and if we are working so hardly we can learn because we
Correct.
always busy with our work. And the third reason is that we are living in with our family member, so that is in my point of view it is good. If we don't
Great.
live with them, so then we don't feel good. But some of students are not living with their family member, who are in hostel or live in abroad, so they are not living.
Great. You mentioned we can learn. Yes. When you are a student, you don't have any pressure to manage your home or all expenses.
Yeah,
Like you are free from this world. You just need to focus on yourself, your career. If you are really focused person, you can achieve anything. The
yeah.
world is in your hand. You can do anything. So that
Yeah,
is the golden era.
yeah, you can say. And if we want to exchange our dream, or if we want to do in our life, like we want to go somewhere else, so we have life now. We can enjoy this life now, and we can go there and then just for exploring or visiting there, like
Yeah.
in abroad or in any city or country.
True, correct. Now we have lots of option, but
Yeah,
after 30, it is tough to switch your passion, your work. It is tough.
Yeah,
Okay.
and you know that if you are at work, so then hardly they would recommend you to go somewhere and then they would give you holiday. So it would hardly to do that thing. And you know that if you are on holiday, so that time you would have lots of pressure that you should earn from somewhere else for feeding your family member. And now
Why?
we are student, we can do.
Correct. You can do whatever you want, you can do. This is the best
Yeah.
part. Why do you think education is so much important nowadays? Or you can say, without education, can we survive?
Without education, hardly we can survive. Even lots of people are surviving and who are not educated. But in my point of view, it would hardly to survive. Like if you would go any shop, so the shopkeeper would say you very hardly something like you are going to purchase some queries, and you would have enough knowledge about to purchase that query. If you wouldn't have, even you can check the online. Even I also did many time. Like I bought this one. So when I went the shopkeeper told me that you would have to pay 1500 rupees for it. When I saw the picture in my mobile phone that it is cost only 700 or 800 something, then he told me that okay, I will get this and you will give me only 750 rupees. Then I gave that much amount and then took this one. And if you would go any field, like if you are a farmer, so then definitely you would have enough knowledge about farmer, like how to do farming and when should we do pesticide and lots of things, like when should we use our transformation and nursery, lots of things are also there. And like if you are in a city area and if you are working somewhere, so then definitely you would have many opportunity. Like suppose you are just earning 10,000 rupees on your job and you are educated, so you have this option that you can create a YouTube channel, or whether you can go somewhere else also, like if you have time, so then you can also earn some extra money from somewhere else. So education it matter everywhere. And even if you would go in abroad, so maybe hardly, in my point of view, hardly would survive there, because we have to learn their mother tongue or even spoken English. It is also compulsory. If we don't learn this, so hardly we would survive there. Like what would be they saying us, so we would never listen them.
Couldn't agree more. In India, you may survive, but in foreign country, it is always tough. You don't know
Yeah.
English, you don't have any idea, you don't know how to read, write. Then it is very tough for you to survive. Even for food, you have to struggle a lot.
Yes, yes. Yeah, if you would order something that they would ask you in their mother tongue or in English language, so you would have to go through with their mother tongue or in English language. So because they cannot understand our mother tongue. So that's the reason.
Yes, true. Tell me something about your state. I have been there lots of time. I think three or four times. Ayodhya, then Kashi Vishwanath Temple, then there is some state like Mathura Vrindavan. Yes, I have visited Mathura Vrindavan. So you tell me some beautiful place where I can visit next time. The
Next
tourist
time you
place.
can tourist place. Yeah. One of village is nearby me. There is a famous temple where lots of people you can say do their card something covered. Yeah, I forgot the exact temple name because you
No
know that
problem.
whenever we have conversation, so I always forget. But before that, I remembered that I heard
It
about
happens.
this. Yeah, I heard it.
Yes.
Yeah, there are lots of historical palace in my located too. Like if you would go in Bagpat, so there is also, and Delhi is also very near to us. So if you would go there, you can also go there. But if you are talking about only our state, so it has also multiple options. Like if you would go in Agra, so then you can see the White Fort, Lal Killa. Oh, sorry,
Red Fort.
Taj
Taj
Mahal.
Mahal. Taj
Yeah,
Mahal.
it is also in UP.
Hmm.
So if you go there, so definitely you should visit there. And Red Fort also there. We have two Red Fort. I think one is in Agra and second one is in Delhi.
Delhi.
Yeah. and then you can also visit there. And if you, as you mentioned, that you went in Mathura, so definitely maybe you visited there, and this place is also very beautiful.
Yes, I have visited lots of places and I really enjoy. Do you think traveling is important and it is beneficial for you and your growth?
Yeah, in my point of view, it's even I had this dream that I would make some vlog video while going somewhere, like while going abroad or in our country too. I would visit in future in some
Okay.
different places like Jammu Kashmir or some different state.
Correct. It is always beneficial to visit other place. You learn a
Yeah,
lot of things, their lifestyle, many other things as well you learn. Okay, if
yeah,
you have any question, sorry, if you have any question, feel free to ask.
yeah. So you didn't tell me about your spoken English. That how long have you been in this journey, and how did you learn this language? What kind of challenges did you face while learning this language? And that's
Yes.
all.
Yeah.
Yeah, mention something about that.
Yes. So speaking, I think this year only I am very much consistent and I think I am very consistent. Yeah. This year I
This
can say
year or this month?
this year.
Okay, this year.
2 3 months back, and if I talk about my YouTube channel, it's been around 3 to 4 months now. This is, I think, fourth month going on, and last 3 months I was not that much consistent because I was working previously. Last 1 month I can say I am very much consistent and I am enjoying this journey. But yes, it was very tough for me. If you ask me how was your starting phase, it was very pathetic. I was very shy type of person, like a
Okay.
introvert. It was tough for me to face the camera, to maintain eye contact for 30 minutes, 20 minutes. It was very tough for me. Somehow I had managed, but now I can say I had taken more than 20 30 session, and in this month only I have taken more than 10 20 session. So now I don't feel any struggle, but yes, because when you don't speak, you always have some fear of judgment, making mistakes, hesitation, lots of things.
Yeah,
And our mouth is not habitual to speak English. As you mentioned, we don't speak English. So yes,
yeah.
I cannot say I am into this journey from last 2 years. Not, I was not that much consistent. It was on and off. Though I am into reading, so I always prefer reading something, but speaking was totally missing. So I am always struggling in speaking. So in this year only I started my speaking journey. And
Okay, yeah, we were in the same boat. Actually, I was also shy person before my spoken English journey. Even if I had some session with some YouTuber, like I had earlier, someone were saying me that please have a session with me. There were some boys or girls were also there. I denied them that I am not able. You can say I am not able now. I told them that I don't have time because I had the fear while talking with anyone. When then after some month, I had session on English ERE. That was my first, and after that I got you can say remove my fear that now I am able to take any session with anyone. And before that I had the you can say that fear that what kind of question would they ask me, because I have never watched any conversation videos, because before that I didn't have any mobile phone. I had only laptop, but I wasn't able to use that one properly, and due to some personal work, or I was much busy with my board exam. I My board exam was about to come that time when I started my English journey. Then after 5 to 6 months, then I got removed my fear, and since then I'm continue. And I had taken more than 35 sessions something with
so
some
you
YouTuber.
so you had taken a paid course of English theory or only demo session?
No paid course. I spent 2000 rupees for 8 session.
Okay, that's
But
great.
one of session, yeah, but one of session I didn't get due to the time management, because when I booked the session, the limited was crossed that time. So then I was busy, and my mother told me something to do some work in farm. So I didn't pay attention that I have session now. And after
Okay.
completing the session, then I got that now I remove lost one session.
Okay, so do you think after taking that session, you are able to remove your fear and it has helped you or not? After taking session, do you see any
Yeah,
changes?
definitely. Yeah, definitely it helped me a lot. And but you know that when I was taking those sessions, I was unable to speak properly. Even I used to just listen them something, and even sometimes you tutor used to say me that did you learn something? Even I used to hide. Like I used to teach some story. Firstly, I have to learn those story, and then before teaching them. And even I didn't used to tell them that I am learning some stories, because if I would mention those story, so they would also ask me that mention something about those story what you learned in that. So that's why I had the fear.
When though we know English, but still in initially phase, we always have some fear how to speak. What if I make mistake? People start laughing at us. So it is always
Yeah,
tough to cross that level. And I think we most of the learner have that courage to cross at least 1 month. If you continue, then you are super. You cannot discontinue your journey. You can do
yeah,
anything.
definitely. These days
One,
I'm thinking now that I should make any kind of vlog, like if I should go in Delhi, in a Red Fort, in front of the Red Fort or somewhere else, so people would be there like who speak English language, so I can make some vlog there,
yes,
and
you
then
can
I would
explore.
get remove my fear. Yeah,
Yes, you can explore something. It would help you to remove your fear as well because
yeah, but I'm busy with my study, so that's why I don't have much time, but
yeah,
I'll do definitely.
definitely yes. But yes, now we are much comfortable in camera, but still I think most of us still struggle to speak outside with people. We don't
Yeah,
have that much courage to talk every time. We still use our mother tongue. We feel
yeah, definitely.
comfortable. So
But if we use our second language, so we always feel hesitation. Like if I would wrong, so what people would think about me?
yeah, there is always some fear like, what if I speak wrong English? People will kill me, or I don't know
Yeah,
what we think, but we think like that. People will kill
yeah,
me,
yeah.
definitely.
Even we don't try. Even we don't try with our friends, like who always live with us. I have
I
never tried with them. Yes,
yes,
go ahead.
correct. We always have this fear, and even though you don't know that much English, but still, if you try to speak outside and if you make mistakes, people don't judge you easily. If they have knowledge, if they have some knowledge inside them, they would never judge you. They would help you even. Like, yes, you are doing great. Because when I see any people like them, I always try to help them. We never try to tease them. Like, what are you doing? This is wrong thing. No, at least they are trying. There's
Yeah.
nothing harm to try anything.
Yeah, but you know that it happens in city only. Like people would guide you, but in villages, people would say that this guy is very unuseful and he's not doing well. Those type of things people always say. Like if you have a YouTube channel, suppose you have a YouTube channel, you make some vlog video or some comedy video, but you can't, but you didn't get any subscriber. Like you don't have much subscriber, so people would judge you that he would never do anything in his future. He's just wasting his time. People would always say you in village is area. But if
Yeah,
in city area, people always support.
yeah, I think mentality is very different.
Yeah,
In village, they don't understand that much value of English. So yes, that is one of the reason. But yeah, in my side, like in Pune, I don't think if anyone start doing this type of things, no one going to judge because we all
yeah.
try
But you
to
are in
help.
city.
Yeah.
That's the reason. If you would go in Delhi, then you can also make any kind of videos. No one would judge you. Even people won't pay attention that you are doing something. Some of people would think that it is normal because always lots of people are doing this. But in village, hardly people would make that kind of videos. People would always like suppose you are making any kind of vlog or any videos. People would you can say watch you very you can say unique way.
Yes, they don't think that is good thing. They have
Yeah.
some another feelings in village. I think
Yeah,
so.
even people would around you everywhere. Like if you would be in the middle of those people. and you
Yeah,
would think that what is
you are
going on.
you are center of attraction in
Yeah,
village if you do anything new. But in village, people always think it is normal, and we all are very busy. We never pay attention to anyone.
yeah, it is in
That
city, not village.
Yeah, in city, I'm talking about in city. If you do anything wrong, still you are not going to judge. It is your life, whatever you want to do. I don't think people focus that much because they are too much
Yeah,
busy. They have office, then the grocery, there are multiple responsibility they have to do. They don't have time at all. They're always in
yeah,
rush, always in hurry. I will miss my metro. I will miss my train. I am going to late office. I have missed my meeting. Everything is like that everywhere in Pune. So yes,
yeah.
in village the scenario is changed. Still, I think.
Yeah, actually, I watched a video, and in that video, some of person were making some funny videos, like they speak like a girl, boys speak like a girl in a metro, and that thing also one boy did in train when I was traveling, and it is located my village, and one person did like a girl. He did some silly things, you can say, and then some of people were saying that he is fool and he is Janwar, like that kind of.
Yes.
Lots of
And
people were saying him, and he ran from there. He ran
okay.
out.
We start judging. Like I think in a village we start judging others. Like if they want
Yeah,
to do, even though it's their life, if they want to record any comedy video, it is totally up to them. But
yeah,
why we are going to judge? We should not be so much judgmental in others' life, I think.
yeah. But one thing is also good here. Like if you have brawl with someone else, like fighting, so people would also support you in village. But in city, never people would support you. Like what is going
No,
on, just happening.
no matter whatever
Yeah,
it is your problem. I'm not going to enter in your home, even though you don't know your neighbors sometimes. They
yeah.
are into their home, you are into, you don't even to interact each other. You live,
But in village, people always help with us. Like if someone is beating anyone, so some of people would come and they would protect him that don't beat him or
yes,
her.
always. And we know, like in our village, we know lots of people. We can ask for him help or anywhere. If we have any
Yeah,
function, we can go and ask for help. Whether it's money or anything, if you need, you can ask. But in city, you don't know each other, so it is always
yeah,
tough to ask for help. And even though they are so much busy, you don't have that much courage to just enter in their home.
yeah. Neighborhood also are you can say strangers.
Yes, that is the thing. So I think today our topic was not, though it was not finalized earlier, but we discussed about like village and city life. It was all about.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me something about your study plan. Then we can wrap up the session. Like
Yeah. If I took
what you what which subject you like the most, like geography, history, and English, and what is your teaching style? Sorry, study
okay.
style. Not
Okay, if I talk about my study style, actually these days I'm just learning three subjects. One is English grammar, or second one is mathematics, and third one is GK or GS. That's all. And if I talk about my favorite subject is mathematics. And now these days English is also, because I did lots of things in grammar. I completed most of chapter. Like I have enough knowledge about now some chapter, and study is going well because I joined a library, so I study there more than 5 to 6 hours something in a day. I think everything is fine now.
great. So, do you think sometimes like there is fatigue after studying 5 to 6 hours? You have some fatigue, like mental pressure?
No, actually, after doing my study, I joined gym.
Okay, then
So
it's
I go
great.
there, and then I always feel you can say good after going from there.
Okay, great. That is very great schedule you have. Any question if you have, you can ask me.
Yes, yes. So where do you work?
Not now.
Like what kind of work do you have? Okay, you are not working now.
Now I'm into teaching. I provide teaching classes. English.
Spoken English or grammar?
Basically speaking English basically, but yeah, sometimes they don't know grammar. There is some sound, I think.
From my side.
Yes. But yes, there is. I've only focused into speaking part, but still, if the person is not that much aware about grammar and other parts, so I speak a little bit. I explain
Okay.
initially,
So okay, so do you teach online or offline?
basically online through Zoom.
Online. Okay, through Zoom. So maybe you must have laptop. So why were you asking me that for recording the session? Uh,
Because I am bit comfortable in Zoom, but Geo I don't record anytime. I always record through Zoom. So now I have to learn how to record in laptop through Geo. That's why
in laptop, I think I don't also know about this, but you can also use Zoom. That is also good. And Google Meet also is, I think, also there. You
yes.
can also record the session
I
through that.
I know the all thing about Zoom, like how to record, how to create link, but Geo is quite new for me. I don't record easily if I have session, and if I don't have too much time to record two session, so I always mention, please provide the video at least. That's
Yeah,
it. And
yeah, that is also the thing. But you know that some of person don't provide us our conversation video. Like they always run out our time. That I would give
yes,
you that video after 2 days or 3 days. Even one of session, I had one session with a boy, and he was saying me that I don't have 5G mobile, and it would consume more than 500 MB.
okay, that is
Yeah, when
also
I was waiting for him since 1 week something.
for the video, but you don't
Yes.
get video.
Yeah, but I didn't get. And after that, he sent me on Sunday.
Okay, finally you got.
Yeah, but finally I got.
Okay, it happens sometimes. Even though I also try to send video, but I don't know what is the issue. Sometimes I'm not able to share. I always mention if you want, we can record two sessions. Otherwise, you can record from your side. But don't blame me if I'm not able to send this link. Don't blame me because I don't that much pro into these things. I'm learning now. If you want, I
Yeah,
can give you time. We can record another session for your channel as well. Otherwise, you can record from your side. But don't
yeah, definitely.
force me. No, you have to send me. You have to send me right now because I don't know. What can I do?
Yeah, you
Thank you.
can take some hour or some days, but after that you should give like whenever you get time. That you should also know something about like how to record. That is also good thing
Yes, I
for
record
recording.
through Zoom. That is very easy to use. But people always mention it is very hard to use Zoom because they don't know. They use Geo, so it is easy
I
for
can,
them.
but I can use any kind of app, any app like Zoom, Google Meet, and Geo Meet, and all type of app I can use.
Yeah.
Even these days, I'm getting developing a app by my friend, and in that application, I would mention some feature like AI feature will be there, and for recording our session, it will work in PC and mobile phone too. And we can practice with co-learner. Like we can just click one option, and then people would connect with us, and then we can talk with them continuously, and there would be no limit. And if you don't like to talk with a particular person, so then you can disconnect the call, and then you can find another person.
Okay, that is amazing.
Yeah, the process is going on.
Okay, okay,
It
great.
would take more than 1 month. Yeah.
Okay, understood. Okay, then we can wrap up the session.
Okay, now we can wrap up. And I would like to say thank you that you gave me this opportunity to
Yeah,
have such.
it is my pleasure. We all enjoy and we discuss a lot of things. So yes, it was really worthwhile, and I really enjoyed connecting with you. Thank you so much for reaching out. Bye bye. Take
Okay.
care.